Sum of angles. We are doing this in a bash script today. Let's check it out. Find the total sum of internal angles in an n-sided simple polygon. N will be greater than 2. This is extremely important information. If n could be equal to 2, that would imply that one of our sides could be curved, and this would be very complicated in figuring out the side of such an internal angle. Fortunately, we're only going to be given simple polygons. To the drawing board. This is a little drawing I found on, so where did I find this? I don't know. Here is their logo. I just Googled for internal angles of a polygon, and this is what comes up when you find those images. So whoever's this is, it's not mine. So let's take a look here. We have sides of, so in this case, sides of a polygon. If we have a triangle, we have what? We have number of triangles from one vertex. Let's talk about what that means in just a second, but first let's notice a pattern. The pattern is this. 3 maps to 1. Okay. 4 seems to map to 2. 5 seems to map to 3. Okay, so 1 is 2 less than 3. 2 is, 2 plus 2 is 4, so 2 minus 2, 4 minus 2 must be 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. 6 minus 2 is, why did I write a 3 up there just now? There we go. Okay. Minus 2. Number of triangles from the vertex. We can, map this out in our heads or whatever. If we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7-sided figure, we should get 5 triangles. Here's 1 triangle. Here's 2 triangles. Maybe we should draw these in opposite colors. Here's 2 triangles. Here's 3 triangles. Here's triangle number 4. And here's triangle number 5. Right, and we could keep going with that. The example remains consistent. So all we're trying to do is some basic math. Back to Codewars. We can go ahead and start by getting rid of this code. We are not going to need any of that. As you saw, we are simply taking in our inputs. We are subtracting 2, and then we are multiplying by that, whatever that number is, by 180. Now, the issue here is that is obviously not going to solve our issue. We need to pipe it to BC. BC is basic calculator, and what it does is basic math, hence the name basic calculator. In this case, it's going to take the number that is our input. Actually, this needs to be a string, doesn't it? Like that. I'm pretty sure that's the right syntax. We're going to find out here in a second. BC, okay, it is being piped, so it's going to take this as input. Being piped this echo, it is whatever we pass our program, minus 2. Whatever that evaluates to, times 180 degrees, just like we saw here a second ago. So minus 2 times 180 degrees. And I believe, if this is the right syntax, and it is, very cool. Let's go ahead and make our attempt. And, that was a good number of tests there in 1.37 milliseconds. Very nice, very nice. And go ahead and put in our submission. Let's take a look here. Nice. Of course, I had to give myself the best practice tag because looking through these solutions, we're finding things like this and like this. That's just unnecessary right there. I guess there's some argument for this. You want to, maybe you could have multiple variables and something like that. I don't know. Probably not. It's a contender. Well, very good. It looks like we did quite well on this one. It was fun. We will be back with more in the near future. Peace.